Podcast 2K. Is that Phil? That is Phil. Oh my god.
And I come back. Niggas tryna flex. Tell me that I'm not, so I'm kept in the back though. Don't even wanna check.
Alright, I'm starting the vlog off really weird. I'm gonna take a walk to Dunkin' Donuts because this other place is good, but I don't think I'm gonna like anything in there, so I'm just gonna walk over here to Dunkin' Donuts. Today's agenda is Cars and Coffee with the boys. The boys are all the way the fuck over there, so I'm gonna hurry this up so I can meet up with them. I don't even think they know I'm here yet, but I'm pretty sure they've seen my car by now, so I'm trying to hurry it up here. Always recommend, always. Two casual Mustangs. That's a Shelby. It's lit, bro. Just had a Dunkin' Donuts, just chilling. Ag secured, boys. Ag secured. So, I can pull this down now. Today's agenda, we had a Cars and Coffee in Edison. Right in front of the Frappe Joe Coffee. It's a pretty chill meet so far. There's a couple gyms out here that I'm gonna be looking at. I'll show you guys after I finish eating. So let me eat. I'll wipe down Z and I'll show you guys all the cars that's here before, you know, the next meet is supposed to be like an after Cars and Coffee meet after this one. So we'll see how that goes. But for now, peace out. I can't even put my other figure up, bro. Peace out. Alright. I promise you guys I'll walk around because I want to go take some pictures with the new camera. So you got some gyms in here. The only two Z's over here. Bro, I like this car. It's low-key fire, like on the low. Like he color matched this like really well. Is that a super? C8 boys, oh my god, you're a baller. You're a baller too because you're on bags, but Jesus. Oh my god. This thing's actually nice in person. So fire, bro. The Corolla boys. Dang. Toyota rolling heavy, bro. RPF1? Oh no, those are ESRs. I was about to say RPF1s on the freaking Toyota. Okay. Bro, I love that sign. I want one for mine. Ugh, that's so fire. Baller boys, bro. Jesus. These things are mint too. Kansi wheels. They're legit. Bro, this Altima is really like legit. Oh man, they blocked you out, bro. Sheesh, another one. Dang, everyone heavy, bro. SS, and this thing's loud too. Probably one of my favorite muscle cars, to be honest. This thing is beautiful too. Scene. The fitment though. Okay. All right. Bro, most of these people here, they did their cars really, really well. That's us down there. I'll show you guys us in a little bit. In a little bit. Let me come over here first. Sexy. How's it going? Bro, this truck though. Dang. I don't even know where he found this. This thing's a beast. It's manual and everything, bro. Look at this gym. Okay. Oh, with the OZ racing wheels on. Alright. Alright. There's a bunch of gyms out here, bro. Woo. This one's probably my favorite one here right now. This thing is just beautiful. Oh, now I get to see these are the wheels I want to put on the Z. And they look really good on here. I want to say they're like 17s, maybe. This thing is gorgeous. Right hand drive, everything. Love it. Oh, this thing's bad, bro. Oh my God. I don't know if he's leaving, but this thing's so fire. Oh man, bro, look at this gym. The gyms are definitely out here, bro. Whew. Bro, he's like, it's nice. It's nice. M2, it's my favorite Beamer. Besides the 3 Series, but it's gotta be like the E92 3 Series. Dog is gorgeous. Clinton, get out the way.
No. See Husky, leave me alone.
Thomas. What's up, bro?
I like
See, they're just like slowly convincing me to want to get this front bumper because it looks really good when it's done right. Yeah, getting the vlogging out the way first. Bro, what? This thing is beast. The fitment's on point and everything, bro. Must be nice. Oh man, is this? Oh, this is wrapped. Okay, I thought it was painted. It's wrapped. Sheesh. Bro, that's spectacular. Okay, I changed my mind. This is not my new favorite car here. Oh, Mark T Films is here. Ooh, classic. This thing, I know this thing's fast, bro. I know it is. Flak magnet, nice. Jesus. Bro, this tire is bigger than my whole face. Yo, look at that. Yo, that's like, that's crazy. It's a casual R32. Whew. Bro, what? That's so fire. More VQ boys. Thank God. Started to think I was gonna be alone. The boys are here. Woo, stunning. I'm gonna take some pics and then I'll get back to the vlog. I guess maybe when something good happens. Oh, I8 boys. Oh, you've got money, bro. Whew. Yo, that thing's so quiet, bro. Bro, he just put it in reverse. I didn't hear anything. Yo, that's crazy. And that color pops. That's fire. IS300 boys. Yes, sir. Clean. I would take this over that. Yes, I would take this over that. Why? Modifications. Noise. It's just style points, bro. What? What are you guys doing?
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your
name again, Thomas? Jonathan.
Boy, Ruckus is in the building. He doesn't even see me. Look at the boy. About to shock him.
He's clean as hell. Clean. Yeah, I thought it was like a 19. Yo,
Your boy Ruckus, what's up, bro? What's going on? Not much, man. Chilling, you know. Where's the rest of the crew at?
With the Mopars, baby, with the Mopars. Jackie
Oh, yes,
and
sir.
Aziz went to go change real quick.
I don't know how you keep that white clean, but I must tell you, it's like, hi, you're gorgeous. He stalled. Wait, no, wait. No! It's on the line, bro. I'm trying to take a nice picture. You're just awkward.
Just go way out here.
Bro, he just cut the wheel and got out. It was like, is it straight yet? What? What? Douchebag parking 101. Or right back in the same position. You guys should work for the DMV. You should... Crack. Oh my, yo, look at this Civic, bro. The camera on that thing is crazy. Thank you.
I'm with you. He's a hype man. Fuck it.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Yo, what? Yo, who's your manager though? That's the question.
Right there.
I'm not.
Everybody.
I'm not a manager.
Jay Quillen.
Hit her up, Jay Quillen. hit her email.
Yeah, hit her email.
They ain't my clients. That's my money.
I have my life knowing. Take it all.
You said 11 that too? Dang. So I'm guessing that's a thing that they do because, yeah, because it's like, ooh.
It's cute or whatever.
Yeah, that GSR sounded lovely. The M4 is loud. Holy what? Dang. Alright. That's one way to make an exit. These guys are so clean out here, bro. Here's Z over here. Look, it's legit just two stock boy Z's over here. And then you got this FD. Just a random casual FD right here. I think I'm gonna get some shots of this too.
That's a buy one. I'm about to put an S55 in that hole. Oh yeah, no, that's for real. You can do that. Yeah. And it'll run, bro. It'll fucking go as fast as hell. I went to a point now. I go to Copart, give me a salvage F80. Swap everything.
Boosted boys. Loud boys rolling out. So there's a after meet that we're gonna roll out to now. Oh my god! What the fuck? Oh my god! Yo, what? Yo, that makes mine sound like, yo, I gotta get tuned, bro. I gotta get tuned. What the fuck? Bro, what? Oh my god. Nah, I gotta get next to him, bro. There's no way. There's no way. Bro, I was just so terrified. There was a cop behind me because he probably thought I was the one popping. I was, but I wasn't as loud as Lunchbox in front of me. Almost got me locked up, man. Trying to get your boy state ref, bro. What the fuck? Dang, look at this guy. This guy thought he was slick. Back to the regular nonsense. Oh my god. There he goes. See, I feel good when I'm not with him. When I'm with him, I can't hear my car. Like, listen, like, what? That's soda can, bro. Yeah, that's insane. They're definitely organizing the fuck out of this. Damn, right-hand drive, fool? Okay, baller season.
He's got the fastest car here. And then you next. I'm the slowest one here.
You gotta stop lying, man. You got. If you was Pinocchio, your nose would have been broke off by now. I'll let you know that right now. Yeah.
I'm fully unbuilt.
Right. Baller boys. Is it really? What? Holy shit. You seen it here first, boys. Oh, sorry. What? I would love to know where you got the idea for it. I would really love to know. Because
for me.
that is out of the norm right there, bro. Holy shit.
He drives a
Dang, bro. Baller. Team. Baller. Okay.
There ain't no room for me to get through there, right?
Nah, bro.
It's back from here.
Yeah, literally. You guys will probably have to hit the wall just like the Miatas did. That's probably your best bet. It might be the black S2K. Is that Phil? That is Phil. I like what he did with this wrap, though. This is really different and fire at the same time. Dang. He's got the OnlyFans hashtag on the side. Yeah, that's epic, bro. I try to get like that. Hey, this EK though, with the TEs. Baller boys. Jesus. Ay, ay, ay. Woo. Ooh, baller boy, yeah, yeah. And he not even aired all the way out, yeah. Phil, what's up, man? How's it going? Looking clean, everything's good, man.
supercharged?
Phil S2K on the pull-up. This is the first time I got him in the vlog. Yes, sir.
I'm a rockstar, running my night. I'm a rockstar, running my night. I'm a rockstar, running might not make it. Never gon' fall.